Hi and welcome to my wee channel, The Kilted Cyclist. I started filming stuff in December 2020 and didn't really have any idea how to edit or compose the music, and I was basically just in the dark about it all. Some of the ones I did were okay, some not so okay, but here we are a couple of years later and lo and behold, the channel has 100,000 views. So thank you all for watching and supporting me through all the poor and substandard videos. To celebrate, I have unleashed the drone. I've called it Bird's Eye, but if you can think of a better name for it, drop me a line. But for the sake of propriety, can we try and keep it reasonably clean? Today's video relies heavily on drone footage, so if you want to see if you have loose slates on your roof, keep watching. The three locations dotted around Bathgate take me back to when I was a kid. The Borough Muir, where we played football for 4 hours and next goal was always the winner, round about the time of Scott Sport on the telly. Then it's over to the Meady Park. No football was allowed here, but it was always mobbed for the Highland Games and the procession. And finally up the Knock, for a wee aerial view of the silver mines in Cairnpapel. Before anybody comments, I've not had too much flight time, and it does show. I was just relieved that the thing came back to me, as it's an expensive boomerang and even dearer if it shoots off into the unknown. But thankfully it did return to me, and with a bit of practice I'll be less rubbish at it the next time. It does give you a whole different perspective filming with it, and I will probably do some more parts of Bathgate later on. So have your boarding passes ready, buckle up and enjoy the flight. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you for flying Kilted Airways. Please exit to the left. It did turn out better than I expected. It was really meant to be just a training flight of sorts, but I just couldn't got into it and started to enjoy flying a wee bism. I hope you like this one, and maybe you saw your house. As I look at the big clock on the wall, I see that once again it's time to go, so until the next flight, bye for now.